Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul, everyone. I hope you are having a blessed day. And this is a big haul. I was literally out of everything, so let's get started. I got 2 toilet tissue papers or 2 toilet paper bath tissue, whatever you want to call it. I got one of the paper towels, and this was the last 140 count they had. They had bumped down sizes to 100, and it's a little beat up, but I don't care. It's 140 towels. I had to have some LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent, my favorite one. The In-Wash fragrance booster for the laundry and fresh scent. Lime Away for the toilet and bathtub, and I needed some of these disinfectant wipes, and it also kills cold and flu virus, which is getting ready to come soon. And I just use these for a ton of different things, so I needed disinfectant wipes. Connor had asked for donuts at Walmart, and I was like, hold on, okay. And when we got to the Dollar Tree, I found a powdered sugar donuts 16 count for $1. It's actually a really good deal. Hopefully they're not stale. I also found butternut 12 count golden honey hamburger buns for $1. I don't need these now. I'm going to freeze them. Every time I find bread, I usually pick up some and freeze it. I needed coffee filters. This is the Fresh Cup coffee filters, 150. You can't beat that. I needed my Palmolive Soft Touch almond milk and blueberry scent dish liquid. By far favorite dish liquid ever. So I picked up one of those. I needed some of my Scrub Buddy nail guard sponges. Told you guys I was out of everything housewise. I got a 30 count foam trays. These are not only good for like snacks and lunches and quick like supper meals like sandwiches and stuff, but these would be perfect for crafts as well. I needed some foil, so I grabbed this aluminum foil. It's 40 square foot. It's not like the sturdiest in the world, but it gets the job done for covering leftovers and things like that. I also got some of these good scent handle bags, the vanilla ones, 10 count. Love these bags. The Sure Fresh bowl covers used to be 20 count. They are down to 17, just for your information. And you get 4 small, 7 medium, and 6 large. Still a good deal. And I like to, all the time, when I think of it anyway, stock my husband's cabinet with things that we may need in the future. So I got another heavy duty duct tape. So I got that, and it's just the black one, and he said this one was actually really good. So for $1, you can't beat it. I picked up a Sunbeam AA battery. The AA's used to come in a 10 bonus pack. Now they're 8, and they come in regular packs of 6 now instead of 8. So yeah. And then also for my husband's little, fix-it cabinet thing, I don't know what you call it, man cabinet. I also picked up a super glue fix-all adhesive. Don't know what I'm going to use this for yet, or what he might use it for. He may need this in the future. Real quick, I did get some other larger things before we change our camera angle, and I got a 8x10 frame for a picture that Connor actually done in church, and it is so adorable. So I found some new mirrors, and this one kind of reminds me of a sunflower. I picked up that one, and I picked up another canvas art. They had a bunch of them, but I just really love this leaf. And then I picked up this long rectangular burgundy kind of basket. It's kind of like a woven kind of style. Not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but I just needed it. I just love it. And then for my spices, I picked up this drawer organizer. And I actually have them in a container kind of like this. They kind of move around. I don't like that. So I got the rubber bottom. Me and Connor, we like to watch Goosebumps because he likes all things creepy and loves Halloween. So he's not a bit afraid of Goosebumps. And Are You Afraid of the Dark, and R.L. Stein's Haunting Hour. He loves all that stuff. And he always says, Mommy, can we watch Goosebumps and eat popcorn? He always says it real enthusiastic. So I picked these up for us instead of just putting the popcorn in a big bowl like I typically do. I just thought this would be fun for us because that's like something kind of special that me and him do together. So I picked these up, and he was so excited for these when I showed them to him. So I went ahead and started my Christmas shopping already for Connor. I already placed a Walmart order, and I'm going to put like right here what I ordered because he's in earshot and I don't want him to hear and be like talking my ear off about what I said. So yeah, we're going to keep that to ourselves. Connor's little cousins and stuff to buy for, and one of them is a girl, and so I picked her up one of these cute, and the price point for shopping for the other children is like $5 to like $10, and most all of us just shop at the Dollar Tree. So I picked her up this really cute Barbie fashion doll. She's 11.5 inches, and I loved her outfit, very party-esque, and when she opens it on Christmas, it's like totally Christmas themed dress. So I picked Kelsey up that. Also from the Dollar Tree and fashion doll, I picked up this pack of accessories. Then I saw actual Barbie doll stuff, and then I picked up a Barbie shirt, and it's from Teen Titan Go. They had Batman and Superman too, and the Batgirl with Starfire on there. I thought she would really enjoy that one, that little top. And then I also got her Tweety Looney Tunes top. So how adorable. If they had the other Barbie accessories, I would have picked them up as well, but I thought 2 shirts, an accessory pack, and the Barbie, and if I see anything else in the future, I will definitely pick it up for her as well. But that is a good start now. Still in the toy aisle, I picked this up. We won't say what it is out loud, but it's a stocking stuffer. And it actually works if we can get it to go in there. Anyways, I know that he will love this because he has some Spider-Man tops. And yeah, so I got that to put back for Christmas. And this was not in the toy aisle, but this was at the register, and I thought I would pick up one because my husband actually has a love-hate, loathes Destiny relationship, honestly. He loved D1, and he likes D2, but he doesn't like all the new changes they're constantly do and stuff. But anyways, I found this 3-pack of collectible shaped buttons. And I just thought that would be kind of fun for him to open and just see what we get. He plays as one of all the characters. He has a Warlock, a Titan, and a Hunter. He prefers Warlock though. So yeah, I'm excited for him to open these and see what we got. Up front, they had some fun little key covers, and I've saw these in the past, but not the llama. So me and Connor thought the llama was the cutest, so we got llama because I did have a cupcake and an ice cream, and they tore up, but they had lasted for years. I got a small 9-inch by 6-inch sketchbook, and I will do those fun play packs for Connor, like when we go places like doctor's offices and church and stuff. We don't let him play on the phone or anything like that, and truthfully, I don't even care about the phone, honestly. Like, I hardly ever look at our phone or anything, like unless I'm contacting like my mom, my sisters, my nanny, you know, John, something like that. But I just don't care. I'm like never on the phone. So I picked up Connor this sketchbook. It has 50 sheets in it. So I just thought this would be, it's compact enough that I carry a big enough purse that I can carry this for him. And he can use this at church. Now to go with that, we actually saw these really fun Nickelodeon pins. They also had Ninja Turtles. But this is a SpongeBob pin, and it has 6 colors. And he loved this. He picked this out. And I'm going to carry that in my purse for him, so he can sketch his little stick-men all day long. He's obsessed. I showed him how to draw stickmen, and he has never turned back. Like, he just wants to draw stickmen. He draws vampire stickmen. He draws mommies, daddies, and himself, and he loves it. So while we're speaking of stationery aisle, I picked up some gel pens, premium quick dry ink. Look at these colors. It's totally fall. I had to grab this one for my planner, and then I also grabbed the bright colors as well. And yeah, I cannot wait to see how these do. And then I needed some more of the Kiss nail glue because I have 2 broken nails and they're just perfect for the length that I want to do designs on. So, wah, right? So we're going to have to patch them for a little while. So we're going to do a few designs on this length and then I'll cut them down. So I picked up a glue. I picked up 2 Kiss polishes. I did get this beautiful, reminds me of a sunflower. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of the quality or the staying power of these nail polishes, but the shades, and for $1 you can't beat it. It's called My Color, and it's just a beautiful fall yellow. And then I also picked this one up for fall, and it's just a really pretty deep purple, and it's called Falling. How fitting. But yeah, I just picked those 2 up. And I know I have a ton of nail polishes, but a bunch of them are on their way out because I've had them for so long. Last but not least, I picked up a few candles. So I got 1 Spice Pumpkin in the mason jar. It smells absolutely divine. Also, I say this all the time, perfect for gifts. I picked up 2 of the luminescence candles and the warm maple syrup, and this smells just like syrup. It smells so good. Mapley goodness, you guys. I bought 1 for myself and 1 for my nanny, both in jars. And then, how adorable is this? So I don't plan on, this is from the Rose collection. They had a bunch of these to choose from. I don't plan on burning this one, just for decor. Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. How adorable. I should have grabbed 2 of these. But this smells like a vanilla. Yeah, like a vanilla scent. But yes, that is my Dollar Tree haul, my big Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Makes you want to go shop at the Dollar Tree very soon. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos, Dollar Tree reviews. There'll be a ton of Dollar Tree links in the description box below. Thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.